Till it falls off.
That's not good.
In the history of jeeping trips,
You want to go up with a high lift?
Someone didn't break.
I don't think so. Well, we've got 4 out of 6. Unfortunately, this meant that Sean and his wife Vivian were not going to make the trail with us today. They limped it back to the trailer and got it ready for the long drive home to Arizona.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Red Rock Crawlers. Today we are doing HELLS Revenge. We are leading the way to a small group. A couple of them have never done this trail before.
It's going to be a ton of fun. This is always one of our favorite trails to do. This was actually the first trail that we did when we came to Moab, and we went on a Hummer ride, and they took us on HELLS Revenge, and ever since it's been one of our favorite trails.
Duncan, is it your favorite? Yeah! Oh, and Jasper is so sick today. Makes that look easy. The view out here is pretty incredible.
One of the cool things about this trail is all the inclines and descents, and we're heading down one right now. This one's a little bit sketchy just because you have to turn a corner as you're descending, and that's always a little tricky. Makes you feel like you're tippy, and it's really not that bad.
It just doesn't look as cool on video.
Yeah, it never does. HELLS Revenge is probably the most iconic trail in Moab. If you want to do a trail that represents Moab all over, this is the one to do. Driving over these huge sandstone fins is really surreal. Just awesome.
Here's the parts I don't like. You can't see a thing! Are we gonna fall off a cliff? I don't know. Maybe. Here's that same hill that we just drove down.
up here to the top of Hell's Revenge. We're at the overlook right now. Just having a little bit of a lunch break. Got the little guys out of their car seats so they can run around, enjoy the view. This is always such a cool spot to come to and just check out the scenery and enjoy the views. It's just awesome up here. We're gonna head over to Hell's Gate and run up that, and then probably head back out. So. All right, you guys, what's going on? We're about to go up Hell's Gate right now. We're down at the bottom. Coming down just about as scary as going up. We're about to head up. I'm gonna take the drone along so you guys can see what it's like from the air. If things get a little bit hairy at the top, you'll probably see what I'm talking about. So let's get to it. Yeah, you're perfect. Okay, now you can start turning driving. You, my friend, have just done the Hell's Gate. Now stay passenger a little bit. Passenger, dude. Passenger, passenger, passenger. You're okay. Come forward just a little bit. So I'm gonna get a picture of that.
Dang it, I missed it!
Alright, driver. And you are done, my friend?
Look at that thing twist. Good God. Wow. My adrenaline's going so hard right now.
Well, you guys, we successfully did Hell's Gate. Everyone made it up without any issues. Jimmy actually went up it twice because he left his camera down there, so we went back around and picked it up and went back up a second time. Now this really isn't the safest place to be behind a vehicle on a steep incline. I really don't recommend any one of you guys trying this. Ton of fun, such a great trail as always. We always love coming to Moab and hitting these trails out here. They're just so much fun. We're heading out of Hell's Gate now.
Hell's Revenge.
Hell's Revenge, yeah. We're taking an alternate route out. I've actually never gone this way before, but
Yeah.
we always love coming to Moab and hitting these trails out here. They're just so much fun. There's so much to see and do. Did you have fun?
Yep.
Yep.
A little wide and stay the camera on your driver's side.
We've had a blast here, and this is our last day. We're actually just heading home right after we get off of the trails. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. We hope you enjoy our channel. We'd love to have you as part of the team, so hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more of our videos. You can also join us on Facebook. We have a Facebook group, same name, Red Rock Crawlers. We're also on Instagram. Thanks for watching, everybody. This was such a fun trail and such good friends to be out wheeling with. Hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more of our videos. We'll see you on the trail.